Hey dear. We are going to show you top 5 3D printer, flashforge 3D printer cheap 3D printer 2020 we've created. This list is based on my personal opinion based on our research and the value of sustainability, and further, we include options for each type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money, want to buy a good product, of course, you will find a link in the description below to see more information and updated prices on the products mentioned. So let's start with top 5 3D printer, flashforge 3D printer cheap 3D printer 2020. Number 5 brand name, Creality 3D. Customers please have to know they import laws before ordering. Free shipping does not include your country's import tax. Check before ordering. Free tax for us EU UK ISO warehouse orders. Package included Ender 3 Pro, full Ender 3 Pro printer only. Ender 3 Pro add nozzle, full Ender 3 Pro kit plus nozzle 5 pieces. Ender 3 Pros, full Ender 3 Pro kit plus tempered glass plate 1 pieces. Ender 3 Prox, full Ender 3 Pro kit plus tempered glass plate 1 pieces plus nozzle 5 pieces. Ender 3 Pro add 2 kilograms, full Ender 3 Pro 3D printer kit plus 1 kilogram pla 2. Ender 3 Prox add 2 kilograms, full Ender 3 Pro 3D printer kit tempered glass 1 plus nozzles 5 plus 1 kilogram pla 2. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 4 brand name, KingRoon. Model number, S400S 3D printer Prusa Impressora 3D Professional. CE certification, yes. Slice thickness, 0.025 to 0.1. Language, English. Interface type, USB. 3D printers 8.9 LCD 2K laser 3D printer UV resin slid like cure 192,120,200 Impressora DIY kit printing mask. All printer have 12 months warranty, buy it with confidence. We have overseas warehouse, shipping from Russia, USA, Spain, Italy, Australia, Czech Republic, Brazil, have no custom. Overseas after-sale engineer service is available. Please contact our online service if you have any question. KingRoon S400S LP 3D printers. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 3 brand name, Flsun. Model number, Flsun QQS 3D printer. CE certification, yes. Consumables diameter, 1.75 millimeters. Do I still have to pay customs duty? The price do not include customs duties. You may be charged customs according to the requirement of the local customs. What shall we do if I do not receive my package? First, we chose the best packaging and shipping method, and we promise a full refund if you do not receive the goods with an estimated delivery time 30 days, Brazil 90 days. What shall we do if I have some problems? If you have any problem with your order, please contact us via AliExpress. We provide 1-year warranty. You can leave message to use. We will reply you in 24 hours. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 2 brand name, Creality 3D. Model number, Ender 3 Pro C certification, yes. Consumables diameter, 1.75 millimeters. Printing speed, normal, 100 millimeters S. Limit, 180 millimeters S. Bed temp, 100 ? Slice thickness, 0.05 to 0.4 millimeters. Language, English language. Maximum printing speed, 180 millimeters. Filament, 1.75 millimeters. Pla abst pu copper wood. Slice software, Drukarka host power supply, 24 volts. Maximum working speed, 180 millimeters S. Precision, ±0.1 millimeters. Voltage, 110 220V. Operating system, Pro, SolidWorks, UG, 3D Max, Rhino 3D design software, etc. 3D printer Ender 3 Pro upgraded Magetic build plate resume power. Failure printing masks DIY kit meanwhile power supply. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 1 brand name, Creality 3D. Package include Ender 5, full Ender 5 kit. Ender 5S, full Ender 5 kit plus tempered glass 1. Ender 5X full Ender 5 kit plus tempered glass 1 plus nozzles 5. Ender 5 add 2 kilograms, full Ender 5 kit plus 1 kilogram pla 2. Ender 5X add 2 kilograms, full Ender 5 kit plus tempered glass 1 plus 1 kilogram pla 2. 3D printer Ender 5 dual Y-axis motors magnetic build plate. Power offer resume printing enclosed structure. For more information, product link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.